endorsement e wadwumem ho ne wone ne twetwempra ti ababa we efa akwani asan nyina so se ode papa be kwa kogina court na se sika twitwiri de bi wakwakope ene ne yekenka ho a eno ena asem no court no a wo se samre de car no okuta no wo se se ye Honda yade a court esizi car no ene niema yekenka ho ni nyina nto de ababa wa no eni mfo na babeto ho wa hye ne spectacle utimu se ade no bobɔ na chi papa obi a obehunu bia se enyamsom enu na Yesu nkan ho se ne ayen ye nam anyamsom ne Yesu kan ye ho anti yaye te se bia knaman ye hunu ade bia ne yakata ye ni wo ho mamefo ade ko ba bi nyankopɔ na de ma wo ene yensu de kura ye na ode yensu ye de nam na emom obayiwa ni se de obehunu bia no eniwa no be na kono se ne oba no bonsam de ko gina aduaba no ho na ye na kono na afi obefa ne krun so koye na wono so koye na kono ne dia ne wanhwe ya japade ne niam bi ebekwa kodi ba bi a wanhwe ya ma no om de ni brebeje sa ne ma no nyina sebe afri wonsam ama wa de onkan ye no sanse so no mo da ho nyina de ontimi nyakra na wo bro so da no na Rashid ne Castro din komo wa ha om si ko basa de a ni a wontimi nyane ne a wa ho de ntimi nkran no wa hunu nti no na woka meyese yamam de sei be ma koko no da ha no me de ni nyina achew ka no so fa efie ne ho anwan samre no hey nsem bebre na ekoso na afaglo we NDC ni kase pa ena wabebo NDC amanyuko no wo mu nyina chitafo mpanimfo ene wo mu de tumi wo mu abebo mu nyina baso se na no memre da wo mu nyina nya abotoye mu no mu nyina hwe ye ma pepepe yetimi koso wabato a wo mu eto ye no enso emu a wotimi wakame mu jasem ne yekekan ka ho bia no wo mu enso antimi antibie ti yewrei wabebo ndisi amanyuko no adehye wo mu nyina enso abaso afemi nko fanda enso mu fanda no pei na wukodi no fande enso babonten eno ane no nsia kase ebom ebom amane se Gihog Distilleries adwumayefo wo ho wo mu aye kire de atia kwankyerefo a woda adwuma na no yewura kofigima na samre de wo se Gihog staffs issue 3-day ultimatum ena wo so de ababeto ho we na obi kan wose atometim ene ne keken ka ho de ababeto ho se bosome mi yansani yentua a wo muka afi niema hodo aye raw materials waso munyade ye adwuma no wo munsa entimi nka seninam kotikwan so bape ne bia wo munsa etimi ka so a wo mgidi ye se ba bia wo se fa no nye ho ena efa enti samre de wo muso ede kokobokese pa aba betudwa ekọ ama wo mu obekọ enso ede ama wo mu na yewura eye osei akoto osei so ti franka ama NPP amanyuko ena wo se okochia the late SJ Anto nebusuafo ena okoye na okochia wo mu ti utwa okokenka ko wakrata no a wo so obehunu nia eko enso eho na wo se Nigeria ni bi samre ye de natum finhia nwotwe a Ghana memu na wono o de trokoto XCID boss bi so na okodi fraud no enso eka ho ti samre de otwere ampoko amyankopon wayi ne so ekrata ama samre de yache no ye de na akogina court simfinsi ama akoma akonwotwe wonkonkotwa na otwa wi a na se ebia wonfa ne nsa enye dwuma na obedidi na adwene ho a adwene no so na da bia ne bia betikoyie de ama wo sanse wadwene so obi so na adwene so ti ehon sem eno daily guide enam de pagya memu na samre de ababa awayi a ono so one bank manager ekotwen mpran ya ukonya ajapade ahodo obibira wa meno ansonani na okopre foforo eka ntro konkronkro aka sede ekura wo no so amwoni anso a yebeje enso afuru nsem ti wono so samre de eniema court kokan ese ne wono fu aka na siki kwanso nyaaye no won handle over won fa ni nyina enkoma court na senia yenim se bia court ofa na se ni nyina ba ko di be ma no ho no ene mra ne nkrabia ene be kire ti wo se hand over car court orders yes side chick or the honsem ababetudwa na OSP yese obe probu yewura omampani dada mahama ene sei esanse ababetudwa se enano abato a yeto ye no sika ena wo mu kire ena delegates wo mu mfiri haba so bia o ma wo mu sika to keka sika no bomu a ebro 14 million ena na no kire mu a otuaye ti OSP so obefre no no abusa no se sika no aba betudwa so otuaye no e fa hin no nya no ne yekone se dia ne OSP no ne nsem be doso pa so bia nam ne ba bi na bi okuta ne sika no de ye na ade obetimi a na la onum se Ghana ha nkrofo nya sika kwa now see bia obi tu ne sika bi gu na say ye be fanti ye metua ka ye me hwehwe onsem a bi kura na na bi ne gya no go bre bia no akopone kakra no so de adi ne me masem say ye time de ensem me masem de no e wo soro chen na na no me di ka ko ya wo ye mfanto ene me masem ne de obedi obeda ka papem obefam ma bi kura nya ba akom bi no ana miensa ene ne keka ka ho a wo kwa so de mu a obedi ne me masem wo ho okwa yase a obedidi me masem wo ho nti se ekoba se obi yi ni sika ne yese ye frɛ no onye sika no wo hene dia
breto ba me
dɔso wo no so
OSP nya adwuma na wo ye no ne ha me na mum wo hya ase a ba bia bekɔ akɔwie no
o mi ehunu
ɛne asɛm no
ase ofiti wo yase
ɛne dodo a ebedi no
ofiti wo yase
a ye hwese sanity ebeba system no emu
ni tutu aban adwuma yefo
wo hya ase bekɔ akɔwie sei enkonko ye se wo be hya ase ebedu so we kra no ye hwehwe mu no bibi anim no akɔwie so o ye hwehwe mu no kra no bibi anim Ghana ha ye wo no so ahwe ni ya asem bi ebebe bia no ebe ye se eye muslim ka na sa asem ye twade ato bi so se eye politics na fa politician ho a politician bi anu asem afa no Ghana ye no kreda what you make
no kra na say wo mu na camp me ko mi say enya no kra
aya no kra politician say enya no kra o da asem a make sense no so Ghana ko an ye di asem be todwa na fa politician ho a ye say enya no kra
Chokwa brochi memu a nipa no ohunu se ne ye ba no bi esoso ebegu no di ho afu a wase me de adwuma no kra ye den ato ho eno kra nya de
asem an ye kan se Kenya William Ruto
mosquito net
head secretary wa ye no masi one time mosquito net hu wa yi na di wapam no board kra e di animu amasa mosquito net na ba no wa gu no
mosquito net no aha no ye de je ban no
yes wa gu no wa hu se mo nye papa ye de mo
wa mu nua
eti ye be bi anka kwaku agima ma anu se ni nsem a wa ye na wa ko se ne ye pam no
aha so ye be yi na frase e o de na ko ba bi foforo
ye nyinu kra no a wo hu wo be nya dom pempem wan koma o me ka sa de papa ne ye no e kwanso ano
anya hwe kra ne manfo de o beta ne
ana
so no abi ene mrasebagafo no abi enso beta ne
asembia ni wa ba
ko to kra wo ne nsem a wo die no ho a ye benya nipa a mba kota na tia ko bodom pem
enso ho MPP ho a enye no kre FNDC ho a enye no kre tia o munya de no ma OSP yo be nko won ko yisi hwe enkonko si hwe
sa
na de na baka kuzi
na ne adwuma na ye de amana no ye de amana sei
OSP ndi fa so obi ani so
sa na say so eduru ba bi o mu giska de mo man
no akosi
na je sa tran no ne sa boy no
adwuma na Ghana ba se wo ba beyo ene de na Ghana for hwe se OSP beyo no eno so the percentage wise ya what you may 20% kwa
ene unim se Ghana for dodo no ano sa asoye no ho nsem enye wo mu de nti se because se ne ane ye susu se beba no aye ne ase bia asem bi wo ho a se ne wo friend ordinary person kura utimu se asem we de bia wo se kekose bia ka nipa wo se sam ne do otua se sika we e de ma Ghana ban ti se ne na wo kan so afo hwe ampomuden sem so ne ho ahwan wo no ade ne pe ne ma hodo bi kose sampa ne bi ne ho ahwan e de ba ye na Ghana ni be bia anhwe ko wakrata hodo obe mu wo kenka bia utimi hunu se we dia wo se kose na bibia mfiri mu ma na chesa so ye no ete ye no expectation na Ghana for open ama
and amongst them politicians nankasa no OSP no won komompe across political divide
se be kwatia omunti no
omumpe enokura ne enka nche ye ho OSP no ukofa anjema ke okura ba wontumi nye adwuma
omu na ema na kwan
ndameka no ntumi nye awe ba no so akwo e just wo she that's o blackmail manager no majiwa japade nyina
na ko ba ji so
debio nya mpona twen kura no azese no akwa ye wake up sa no
dia na on ye program ya na ye twitwa ya na mebusa se yes ukose oba pa na no ho ne manyina ayeden abegu so ana
say ya hade de sanity
no so kose oba pa phone credit ska
minidi
me ma me yale me ko bomiti a whole lot of burden no dey abehwe wo a ko kan so di bedu ba bi no ye nyina obi abekana no atu wo atena wo mu ase na me ma so atena wo mu ase
se be ye dia
dia na se
se ba na da
basa ko ro ya ko la ketu bi so ya ko la ketu bi
akuda ya
man kala no ntena wo mu baby attachment ya mo mo tro baby
de gu etire kure benja wo ye ho adwuma be wie no ablo
wa hu ka no wo gina ho no na wa hwe dressing we pa na ababa wa di hiawa ana so be ko no wa hihye we gina kai
ka no wo gina ni mo
ka no wo gina ni mo no
ana no da ne ha ma no wo
no gina no se no nti eno an se odom de ka no be ma odom de ka no be ma enu mu ababi nya sa na yeto no
kafra
me de ka no be ma
court wa gina ade awan
ajo onya court no ana ko mbu obewunu do obeye wo mo obeda oba be ma no beda
obeda papa
se akwama no ne bia obeda wo sa ansem no ya na wenu nyina yesua bibi so ye den
efu o say nansen PSG footballer bi CFN Hakimi o se wa
onso ko ba bi wọ́n ne ye japade
so nkwade ye say say ye tuare ka na akugu ma me akanso tidu so oba no peso chinchim ni sa
se ka bia ndem
say football nkwa ball be na pen wo eni ni boot woni ka
na je so oba na ni akowu ho
wa nya hwe
ye nua ma no nyese bia ye kan bia ye kan so ye tete abete no na ye se ne cha no ye fi se enkatete ho no se ye ma me nom de sa kọ aware a ka bedru ba bi kra no nipa bebre benu wo ho so mo ya aware
sa bele no nne so ho
so because ene wo hwa ebi na na dua na mebusa o demand no a nipa no asa de obi ekro otini fie no oni dia na asa oni hwe enti unya bie wa no e ka kire ne se ope no a se pe
e dia yo
na dia yo
ya kwa homa no so de sa kwa de pepra obi de pobidi ni nkomo na hyentiade bisi ya betum bisi ya de ya nteso concern for say ya spare pass wo ho ntem bibibi alo sa kwa de
onda
akwa de fie boko de
Yamano boko.
Ana pay for no dro de na ekoso twamfo ni cheye.
Ana pay ya no ka se de me wo ayekrum. Jana ba de wo tena ja. Ma me ba me tru ho ka ka so na se de obi aka ne de. Ma ide ya ho ke ya. Ya na se de so ko pie mo kuma wo se ba la she pie ja. E wa kwa da won ti na so pa da fo bi na. O kwa ja do do ho. Ko ji ge number ya. A te no afre me. Baso awa week ni chant we bi na uncho ma me so ya 100 Ghana.
Baso awa week e wo chant we buzuani
100 Ghana. O je bi mo.
Na wo bia wo no wo ye zetoni a wo kwa akoye adwuma na be kwa akoda ho kura na ye kofa damfo.
So ye se ja ba. Se ja mo ne nu ko go mo fa ko mu kakra na. Oh, you could know. When you come back,
that's all. But the young Jesus can what you.
Let me try. The young chap got out from them. The kind of that may I be Miniska. I don't know as I said, okay, Miniska, a much t-shirt. 50 Ghana. I don't take Ghana, the other one time.
Why not the Ghana, dear? T-shirt 50, dear.
I don't know what Ghana. I didn't Saturday, they do a regular.
Asemo nyameti ase yenti o bede
ya ma beda ase ba me toja se enkebe ya anka agaba fo na nka lọ́sẹ̀ náà ọmọdé dodo no ọmọdé no ọmọ ihe na ọmọ so 20% so betima abo aso ama temamu fo ọmọ so fa car no ọmọ ko mu ebeju ọmọ ebi se enuma mu ayatin ewo Ghana hasi na no na pepe be toja pe na se agaba fo ikomo entie mpanifo kura nsam kakra nanso na no pebe be pie mu ewo terminals na wodi ni bibiri me start free tafo lorry terminal ko bisa agaba fo no mo no mi ami be ya na no pe yankasa no mi fi etibeti chairman bana be sita fo no enka no nanka omo ge 50 pesos no eno ana me ka say ena no pay omo eguso a say omo ge na omo susu say ade a abane di we ni ba nanka say ka omo commerce nanka omo so no spare part a hodo no a yatutu no company for nanka omo entity so ensamo mansana ebia sa lori fe no mo so omo tiso no nanka omo so etimi atiso e dia momo e tele wo fon so omo de nya de omo tiso na atiso ekina etu betwem ewo tapo no a bitna kasa do afọ ka no so mo kasa eno enam so ma yesa ato aso betwem enso ewo nana enchi wono kodo enchi wono so no eho no so yewa hona yenye so GPIT for na kasa no matna ya enso ewo enso kwako bisa mo so nya de ambeto so na ate so te bi se ya de a asota kwa yente so Johnny and Tisso, and almost Atiso. And I will have petrol nuclear, so I said almost Atiso. Some look at we have petrol nuclear, it's a petrol near 1.2.99. And I will have been so here 1.99. So I was almost 13 Ghana cities, so I only be almost 12 Ghana cities, so I was saying, about for actually, our points is idea nya de on beto na atu so kira na ya je kira mo ko kasa akwakoye chinede so mo ni kasa ye ni titeni ono da GPIT ano e wa santimate because so ko ma so ye no idea ye ma ni ma metie mu a ya fika nto se na ko fa ya aduma e bo awia tofu a ye ma ni ma metie ko nye he se de esi ko ne mo bi o mu da ba fa do mo so nya de on betum atumo akira atumo o ko piem so e wo GP VIP ko so aso ye so a so asafo no a almost to so go be no be ade almost no mu nyani mu nyina so akoba nkom so nya ade a on beto so na atu so che bi se me a to so pass so e wo memu ade almost mu ntimi ante so na ntimi chantino sa asanso de ase ante so de almost any to pan dia ba beto de se de almost be ya djuma so e wo ite se me de beche se bia no se mu no go no se mo no na pedi for babonte ade asempa beto de ana se ebe mu gusu ase on beto so na so mo te so no nti elu gusu de chere be siki ase banka me ne te bondi e don fa de be to ga te gusu a daga no ana fa me de wo obi na so wufa wuti hwe na ba ya wa de fe lori fe ga na wuti ana enu ana oba bi ti so nya de a telefone ya sa do ba fo aye asubia che ana so mato se on beto so na so mo to ma ya asubia che o mo so mo nti enne ento so echa jali de telefone ko spare pass for ekokote so ansana almost no almost almost junior senior kwaso ewo krom kiama apete sponsor ne almost so echepa yipa say yatuma yatum kura na motum yatuso yatumo teso so a na mo so mo e ma so say mo teso e te oza koyen se bebe e apete na force da ba kwa utata bia mo na ta kwa koyen to kwaso ewo ho junior je na o be piem so wa sa na tie e no ka se kwa ma ade kwa be piem o be bia cap 600 all kwaso no mo to times and so ba times na to no saa yante so omozo ya dia so a omozo daga no ana omodo je nti so da do afọ ne kasa de biso ya no ko go so mbete so na ties bo yante so na e be spare parts bo yante so no saa omo a ponte ties bo ga da fo omozo so no a omoto so e do afọ se ansana we mu nyo mbete so saa no ma we nya ka obi and so ka do afọ no so omozo nte so omozo ate omozo no ma zitimiya se na ko so ewo abonte so efa adoba force ni president force nke bi na
mo sa ko de pepra ye beda se ewo ba na
kuma wudi akosi wo wudi akosi
ya nya nti ese poster foforo bia pop out ewo kuma
wudi we na ya na mi se MPP for say wo mo dia ade wo mo ni because say oko independent no say one so na say one yitu a na so wo gide say oni osongo do a enu kwa say wo ye bi say kwa kudia mienu a we front man a enya ade a wo fa so wo sama yo so wo ye de obi a ewu na no imo people ya mo be sia mabru ane ma ewo oyoko abi tuwe ja say asiafo ina aye samanfo na asiafo ye samanfo a efidan ana mo akuro ya bakofo tu say fe kwa kudia say ono so mra na say person for kwa kwato abaya na se kwa kudia foni na kwa kwa ebe na se kwa kudia ebe hu dia woto da ma se kwa kudia papa no ana se kwa kudia fake edi se ebi to for so mo pa na ya sa dia disgrace ka se pa de ma title no ewo asantiment mo ene o mamu na biza wontimi enye se bi se wo so e ho ne stongo jana uni ni pa ne nko na nipa no kɔ na no wɔwe a no wo sɛ wɔwe na so kɔfo people kɔ tase so so kɔ kudua na ɛma ɔno na ba ne ba tɔmɔ sa na no ka so no kuta 11,000 ne akyi ama yɛ wura ba so a wɔnyɛ ba tu kɔ so kuta 14,000 ne akyi enti sɛ nipa kɔ kɔ nya 1,000 na sɛ so tia na sɛ mu break no amu support break it no e ade be difficult to the amamo e say NDC for no dey ask them e tika be pa dia sa ko kudua na mo dia ko ba ka no ho no o mu ni film na sa ko fam ye nsa we dey ko mo contact ni e people mo ho den so the amount for ka se amount no mo ya den dia ma amount for mo e Ghana ha ni nya ni en se e ampa se abato e betro na esusu se e mo ya den ana se the NDC for so ka se ampa e no mo ya den ni en se we bia mbetimanya more than sabi yera eye baso nya no 2020 na ne usampa Ghana project to say ampa mo betima be kid na so we hear say dia na mo ba so kwati say pe and this for the fa ewo e dia asere mo anwo usampa mo entity for na nkasa no the say the kasa mo mo ade no ko ti da me dia me kutu say ni say omo we na say omo pa na ko fa ko kudua we be ka wo pa o minister ko kudua ni film na yan fa ko kudua original ne ko na 11,000 a okuta ne yan say no a be say nya bia ka wana say amafo be ka say da bi ya to mo pipi am ko no na omo person break it no e no na amafo esusu say be tuma abo amana say ntimi bo na so ko na fa continue say na say sa de be ma fa ko kudua ya na ko kudua yi ko be eko na e bia ko difference ya mo so no asabe na mbeka ko ko ne chance o me beka mo ho ana say de timunyai na mo kan ko kudua na ko fa na baka ho no na ko kudua ko a ye fe na ho fa so ye sama yo so ye die yo na no so munyi ni free na mo de kan ko fa me nsa we mo fa no ko ye ne so tipo no mo ho den system mu ana sa mo ho nya den no e say this for there o ba krado so be yo Muhammad ya tu gan say mo nya na mo ntwa hande over ceremony for to na 2024 no oba no onra e de sai sa na papa ya ba
ja sa pa ya pepra ya bedase e wo dwumaso a wayo anopai ye nya boafo nka to ni amra ye pa ye beto aso.
You want what's the wedding easy? Oh, you butu ankasa. Wakaka.
Messi. Lufat na wajima were you?
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. Jama wedding were your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there. Few hours to my wedding. Na Monsieur Semu huma yeshepe. Minketa was mikuniya. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jama Tonodo. Na basi no yen.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, na basi no one for ambulance na one.
Up ambulance. You right na bicycle dey form.
Hey, no, nyasi from kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up nina. Sometimes nearest farmers. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for malaria druna.
Inyo. No ye na. One chair. Mukuno china nenadri. A brante pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No donna. Man ne ye donne.
Jija wo malaria and kawon to them. Lufat. Eye malaria drop test for malaria before treatment.
Say, and you what in your pan and what's the sad you say about what is Sasa?
Mendia, wouldn't be and net dear for once, my Chiwaj, I do not have a messana who come from Mammy. Oh, my no, Tiwa dance. Miampa caneno, Namis, Namitimina, Chime, Nami Coco Yadia so teach me. May no, I do not have a message. To go and my free.
And the sun radio, yet solid you will live. Watching, and you see, you look at Miss, a person crying to my team, baby. Say, you do say, have a mischief and come out. Now, say, dear, when you're pomade pow,
I do say, have a castle. No,
I genuine, a young crap. At the summary, or be to me, I just a painful. A battery I won't quite done for anyone I wouldn't fit to me. Kumasi, at to find out of phone call to say about Santa in the clinic. I was swimming macro, go filling station down where and a swam Pentecost I sold down. I fear I have a shop in the pharmacy PM. 0500 110.
If I know when you bring say go, unum say, and now we have fridge and go to a same year crump in ye bill. Ain't him baby papa, minya fridge papa, better mammy.
Now, one day, Artist Prestige Enterprise Fonka.
Almost an effort.
Hey, any media, some way see how dear your friend of Tadiana Mintawadia, or Tadian, what I did yet. Whom had ye? Open baby a ton fridge papa, a Artist Prestige Enterprise. More fridge a wood whoopee. So pack it to a cassia, a one was say a tabletop, double decker, deep freezer, one sound with display fridge. Chess a fridge, na grass where anymore. Who dear woman on in your
hey, sir, any Miami
more gas cookers, rice cookers, blenders, CV set, a free 32 inches, coping 65. 5 inches. Afei air condition type bia. Any home theaters apapapa. Fine. Microwave and a washing machine na bi. Mekani mejadeɛ na ɛnam sɛ ɔmo nneɛma yɛ papa nti. Adeɛ bi a ɔbɛtɔ bia no. Ɔmo a warranty san kyɛwadeɛ.
Ɛna ɛwɔ di asɛm asie mi ampa. So mo san nneɛma nyina bi wɔ hɔ de amekɔ sisi a.
Ɔmo wɔ Abrepɔ junction. Baabi a yɛfrɛ no ship mu no. Ɛhɔ na ɔbɛhu ɔmo. Saa nso na atonsu agogo. Ɔmo ne Adansi Rural Bank na ɛhwɛ animu. Frɛ 0243 414822 ɛna 0553 319455. Artist Prestige Enterprise. Home appliances papa fee.
Sorry, dear fa. One kasa with the hoa Musha me skin. Ama me sha taria memrekra. Nyamisha Skin City Laboratorium at the pa and a tono. Ya hyperpigmentation and a hypopigmentation. And no ya the wa would be a worry near Skin City pair and a bit me a year free home. Malesma, a yen so pay a one man named Sam Ben a Riasha show freckles and in and kick a home. And no dante ya can be acne. Acne a pimple a bunny penny. A bit yes, ya were ititosis. And not one of them say now on Saka skin now. Well, Felicia's skin a rare fish, a year rare home. Senior and a white dot and a patches about with DNA. Ubon so wow with DNA now, Munum said the Yabu plates, and our guidance and a keratosis, and also a strawberry. Strawberry not by us a wood jack, said the Aqua what see a Simon Kadamkademono, and you want anti-aging facial creams, and no SCS or wrinkles, and many pediana son for fair, and yes, also will be worry was canning ye. A yes, Skin City Laboratorium pet and a mecan for the amount. And you what dry dark knuckles and no air will search ye tuntum. What must have been a color for pa. Now, so in search ye nama. I feel you were dark neck. Uko say no, now you tomb. And you was severe dry skin. You was severe oily skin. And a damaged skin repair. When it was wasa. A yes, Skin City Laboratorium pet and a mecan for the amount. Facial and body waxing. A bab wow. So what Skin City Laboratorium at Chapanya. You was so Mampo. Affordable house in Shani Mupe. For 0248 936297 0248 936297. Oh, but Joe, so do my phone and him to
Asampaetia Obayansa Fusu Obunibia one kana sam Tema futu sam kakre wa supreme Yo kofi Oman ya woman Omani ya memana Genyi baby ako Wachata ya wareni Ponsom wanini pa Asadipa wofioye Gamo yembera ye Ebe ya efiyana Oman ya umano Oman ya memana Adiwaye nora Nyamichata Yemana renya
Osom wani enipa Adusa Heba Center Edin Romiensa na abedwaso Adusa Heba Mesha ni Adusa Heba capsules odi nsuo no no topa ye na ebo pa usisi ana yo ya be ma wayemre wo mpem koko na tete wo ba utwa dwadwo wa bla ubu unsa no ya na ha dwen ye pa ma wonsan ka Adusa Heba Mesha ni Adusa Heba capsules woni no ma ebeboa wo Adusa Malaheb se malaria tudie na tete wo de eno no wa bla wuntumi ni die wonu mo to da bia utitwa asiwsi so okoyenhwem nko na ese ya malaria de a wadro Adusa Malaheb wonu bia ebeboa pa ye wo Adusa Heba ointment se munkotodwe wachibremu oda sore a wunya nwotwa yie ekwan bia so wunya bia ebeboa wo ba bia to odro wo mamu bia se pharmacy chemist over the counter medicine as a herbal shop bowra ho also pe ma me Adusa enwon bi na yaka cho se wadanse eni o wadanse eni ye was swami macro Gwai filling station inside wa eho ene ewo from ma me Adusa 0500110115 0500110115 0557009824 Adusa Heba was madanse eni o madanse eni
Uyam ayekro anase emu kekaw uhia amuzuke uyam tutu anase emu samfono uhia amuzuke wayase ye woya anase wo afichikro mu haw uhia amuzuke Heba mixture ebi wo Heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247 776743
ɛno asɛmpa ayetia Entrance University College of Health and Science say yɛnka nkyɛw sɛ nei sɛ wopɛ baabi akɔ akɔsua deɛ yɛsua pɔma de sua ɛnsɛ wo bia no wadagye nkɔ baabi a bɛwie akyi no na sɛbe akɔ akɔyɛ wɔ haw aba bɛtɔɔ so Entrance University College of Health and Science Tobinko nsa no adwuma Tobinko nnwuma no bia papa Tobinko de bibi ɔde bɛbɛdwa so bia nyame anim nie ɛyɛ na ɛyɛ paa na suapɔn de ba yɛ ne Kwame Nkrumah suapɔn ne nam yɛ ne wɔn ato kɛsɛ ɛnu ti yɛ ma certificate a yɛ ne ka paa na me no ka sɛ 2022-23 academic year yɛ gye adesuafo frɛ yɛ 0509086631 0509086631 ofrɛ yɛ ne yɛbɛgye so Ghana Tertiary Education Commission wɔn ma gye adwumadie no atum Isaac Paint Enterprise say menka nkyɛ sɛ wopɛ paint papa ɛde apenti wo dan sɛ woyɛ fiewura woyɛ mason woyɛ contractor woyɛ event organizer abusua panyin a wopɛ sɛ wopenti abusua fie no ɛyɛ Isaac Paint Enterprise yɛa no mu die kɔtɔ a sɛbe na ayɛ sɛ konkonte sam ɛhu ɛgu so saa wo ho koraa ka no ana aka ho yɛwɔ emulsion paint oil paint DTM semi-gloss satin excel na flat yɛwɔ nyinaa bi ɛwɔ yɛakakye yɛwɔ waterproof paint concrete sealer stabilizer paint yɛwɔ bi yɛwɔ crofom tips dan mu ɛna yɛdi yɛkui busa akɔdaa panyin obi abɛkyɛw dikyɛm sofoɔ yɛntwa mu nyae yɛwɔ dikyɛm so controller house yɛne kafam ɛna ɛbɔ so kafam twea so hɔ a ɛhɔ ne yɛwɔ fɔ yɛ ɛnɛ anɔpa yi 0243 97 57 56 0243 97 57 56 Isaac Paint was the paint mu akukutam abusua mama wanya ne ntiya dada sɛ yɛne wonyanfo kɔkudua ano wogia sɛ content kro ɛwɔ kumawu abato mpɛsua ne so ɛda ɛbana da edi animu yin ɛna saa abato no ɛba so papa wagye pene enye we ni de edi kan ebia bi atwa mu 2020 obi bɛ sɛ ɛka kete na nko ɛbɛka sɛ osanfo bi ne san no ɛnka saa brei yɛwura kwakudua ɛyɛ mmara hyɛpɛtwani ɛwɔ kumawu abato mpɛsua so nanso yɛ wɔn kwan yi deɛ akora sɛ ɔda so kutanimu die mu so ɔbɛso no man kumawu man ɛne abato mpɛsua no nti ɔsa agyina emu bio wɔ saa abato nkonkwan mu a ɛfɛn sɛ by election mu nyame yɛ adom a 23rd May ɛda no yɛ benada abato no bɛba so papa da so gyina mu na anɔpa yi yɛwura watena ase yɛne no bɛdi nkɔmmɔ ne yɛbisa ne sɛ na wɔtwe baako akai sɛ ɛna anamontuo no ɛsiteɛ ɛhefa na ofiri a waborɔ suo no a abɛdu saa mpɛmpɛsuo yi na mpo aso aba na so yɛ no sɛ na ɛsi ɛteɛ mewura kwakudua atena ase na meka sɛ yɛstumi live ɛwɔ yɛn Facebook page nso Agyenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 Agyenkwa FM Kumase 101.9 YouTube ayɛ Agyenkwa FM live YouTube Agyenkwa FM live okwa obe share obe like no comment wiase nyina ebete wonka na wo so nsema ade baye akenkan miwura kwakudua atrase mamimu sa papa se fie mpo ete se akra efie bokɔ de
esu adom ne mpabo bibia ebokɔ
says dia ahofanu tinam papa eda otwedi ampanse mo a mo wo ani suade hu na mo pepa se mo beso mo man ewusua hu ni nimdi a nyame de amamo no ya nye hu sa na ya niche isanse obi wo pi e beka so obro so ense so obeso no man pa no oya denia omma ti we no e beka se eye adoma chede nyame amfa amawa ntuminye papa ye beda ase sa no pay so wagye pene se woni ebiti enkomo mami misa empesua so eti say campaign ti say ehemfa ne yaduro ede na ekoso
yo mami mfasa kwanya so nchia watiefo de wahwefo nyina empesua se ye
okay
yegu campaign so am say bibia ko kama except say yisi no ena kwa biso no oni ye ni ye
okay
but your petition the EC chairperson ewa kra emnu se mu papa ebefiri ho aba
okay
e ko ba ne sen ya wonu no e wo senka abatoɔ no ne nhyehyɛ ne kwan bɛfa so ato aba no yi si ndi ade ne ba out
okay
obiara wɔ n'ahyɛnsodeɛ MPP foɔ yɛ ɔso no NDC foɔ yɛ kyiniiɛ kwakudua 2020 m'ahyɛnsodeɛ ɛyɛ abuburo a ahabammono etua n'ano ɛno ana me maintain no 2023
okay
ɔmo kɔfa aberanteɛ bi ba ɔno nso de kwakudua ɔmo afira ne kente mayi yɛ kente ɔmo akɔfira aberanteɛ no nso kente nansa nnɛ yɛnkɔte a sɛ ɔno nso ahyɛnsodeɛ no yɛ anoma ɔmo sɛ pelican waakɔhwɛ adeɛ na ɔmo sɛ pelican no a ɛno koraa menim ne pelican bwan ɛyɛ abuburo no ne skeleton na ɔmo adorɔ na ɔmo atɛne n'ani ahwɛ the opposite direction na kyerɛ sɛ
papa ɛno na da yɛn Facebook page yi so yɛ anaa yɛhunu NS yaw anim MPP ahyɛnso wɔ so ɛna da n'anim yɛhunu akwasi amankwa NDC ahyɛnso kyiniyɛ ɛna da n'anim yɛhunu yɛwura kwakudua n'anim no ɛyɛ abuburo a ahabammono ɛhyɛ n'ano independent candidate yɛsɛ kwakudua no so anoma saa wɔn so independent candidate kwakudua wɔtɔ so mmiɛnsa no efira kente kwakudua wɔtɔ so ɛnan no efira kente na abato enhyehyɛ yemu no ɛwɔ abato komisa dwumadie mu no yɛnim sɛ ahyɛnsodeɛ entumi nyem yinu
saa pepepe ɛno ne me concern
ayɛ den na sesei na deɛ kɔ so amini ka mi sɛ papa wo deɛ wɔ ho abato komisa wɔ yawe wɔ de saa
dwumadie wɔn na de way ba out nti wɔn agye atom
abato komisa na de way aba
ago medium nim sɛ ansa na bɛba out yɛ sɛ ayɛ de brain no nti wɔn na agye atom ɛhɔ na mehu yɛ na me petition nti sɛ ma petition the EC chair in Accra sɛ bibia bɛpɛ a ahyɛnsodeɛ no deɛ ɛnsɛ sɛ yɛpɛ me ankasa
bɛbɛ ba kyɛ o yɛbɛba o abrante kwakudua we no ofiri hefa
ofiri bɔdumase wontumi nsa no adwuma no
wo yɛ de hu sɛ wontumi nsa no
because wontumi ɔse wɔkyiri independent candidate ɔmfa independent candidate koraa deɛ ɛnsɛ yɛde ne yɛ bibia ɔno no host no for the first debut, the first appearance, I will want to meet TV. Microphone when the recording is there.
Okay.
All Baba filing the papers. I will want to meet Microphobia, I'm doing a chair, I'm in a buy. And you want to mean son what you must say, or the Baba send me vote.
Yeah, okay, as a son, a tear which independent. Yes, we're independent.
And I make an so wait, say that's how hypocrite he is. Or hypocrite. Na minim say it won't fly enya dwuma esan say onipa no yesi de enim no awia no yenso kan yanhwe na anim anadwo me manfo no nim me omnim kwakudua ba me ye enti we no me nka so oni kwakudua o ye kwakudua na dwuma de be na so odi ba bedi ni nyina ne say
enti ye kura ni hwemu kakra ye che say won so ye MPP ni bia
ani mom de minim de nanso ebia ebetimi abasa enti omo na kofa minim say yes what asafo an innocent guy but omo kofa no say they no be destroy votes they doing everything within their power say e kwan bia so abano because some mobile omo tie from no omo hu say enya de omo benya abano enti say ya borra dem paye de metiti no say no credit a ene ko say mo constituency enso me ani da wo me afie ni say some ye na anye ya ene de see 2020 no no abi ne besa see 2020
papa de pa ne besia anade na ekoso wo kumewu abato mpesua no so a ama sa no ma we ni nyina ye huhuni ya no mukura ye beka sa bi abato komisa dwumadi ye nse da enim pa no ade we wudi kire wo bia obehu se ade die emu oya ye wo hoi se company kura wo bie no o ko no akọ register ebia edin a wo de beko no na obi wo sa edin ni bi dada ahyɛnsode a wo de beko no na obi wo bi dada ne aka akyɛ so da bi
sa pepepe
enti mpempi ni so okoye registration a wudi ukutadin ba miensa ukuta ahyɛnsode ba miensa just in case ukone so obi afa we anu adane we kono bia na we de kente akente anoma
Edin Krona.
Edin Kronwa.
Edin the same grading. Anomanos way.
Anoman way.
Adena, ye see our Mokuma Uno. Or submitting when one can just say, Anomanu do Biafa.
Biafa.
No more allow it. And the whole thing was shrouded in secrecy because near Busania Pasia, the idea better about it. Oh, and you're ready, and you're ready, and you're ready. Just almost trying to the last minute. Normally, about one just went to me and young, but you're 200 won't be able to see it.
Papa said, "Yeah, air course one day, yeah, titi." At yes, a kuma woman, Oma Ble MPP in Tiana. Now they know more you have MPP one almost Yan and Tia, Marquan, ye puntume course wokumewu. Say, yes, not to me mufono, and puntume course MPP, I hear you, Madina. Again, I win I was saying.
So, Bang say. A brad didn't do Yura Baswa, Yaman Crancy, or Danny Benkumsuno. MPP, Bemu say, Oman neglected Kumawu for so long.
Okay.
Yaquain Atitia Pansam, be Biancoso, and you might be Biancoso. And Untino, Omungu say independent in the man who so they are. And he also moved to the Kakwa Niema giddy. And Untino move machines over the Bay Yaquan, yet almost home goes in your mind.
Okay.
Yes, you have to be. Now the point is, I then also mu train kopim say Yura Baswa, a badani bonkum so, and son of Maka say, Yentum Likan Koyim Puntunuma.
Now, almost a contract in Yamudia, I might be Piadi than Aquemna, a woman I had any Bebe Bentila.
Oh, Mira,
Uno sir.
You ran fear do me and near training. Umbesias one command shema. Oh, my contract night, Yati, you said almost in Tomocos in Yaquano. No mama, a month for answer, any omrasha bedrening. Now, where could you near Dini, Sika didn't among Crofo Fiemu, and more, and one, and then make a me say, me man for, or my Kumau, no more, a here more, and Eddie and Monia says the Omodia fruit or more chanisa, and I do them sumu, a chantuma, Sika. But make a say. Munye enyama na omde bani nyina amuni na mmom man nsem wadwen na mman mfram ani esanse enim yetibia na yetim yenko abato bia ma ubia bibia sensida ni nyina ne se kwanten kro no wapie mu no womnim se kwanten kro no fa akonwa na it is going to cost them more the NPP party because university ye fatabi kuma constituency no teacher training college ye fatabi
okay
oh constituency no nursing training college ye fatabi akwan papa ye dia ye nkrofo afikyerem ni ade nyina no ye nso ye fatabi
okay
kuma wo bi ti afikyere ba bi na so yare a je se memma ni mamu a wo no ene fa ne di ni hyekire ade ba kwantimpom ansa na yetim di na hyeka mu di na hospital enye ni ngwase enti where were they
okay
where were they all these years ani ye so fa sa no omo ignore yen omu yiye man
okay
enti we na omu ye no emba enye obi anwanwa omu si kumawu yenzu ye ni izi ehwe enti me catch omu se nema omu de ba na ega na sika
okay
omu de ba mu nyini because omu fi say so omu spend 20 billion say krana a bit cheaper than to build a university
okay
for kumawu ba omu nyu say kumawu for say deserve say yenye university go constituency no omu nyu say yenye teacher training college nursing training.
So the advantage is skinny ho. I feel no water to no ma.
Sika no wese ko hwe kuma wo sese.
E why dey?
Sika e floatu. Ko bitimi sika bundle. Say sika so ye didi agro. Sika no ayi ne rap na firi hu no atun say sam sa. Say omo de ka na mo a ni ye two biscuit eni adi gu fom sebi. Na se wo bibi de be ma manfo a wo tu gu fom se mo fom.
Enti wenya e kan de na che kuma wuman.
So mo so ahwe. No man who say, we know, I had uncle that day. Nina say, almost per seat enough on the Faladia.
Papa Yansha said, MPP for and some more can say, independent, dear, woman in a Tonquanta, woman in a pie, woman here be a woman, or you couldn't. Senamia, ya dominated the same Kudia Bawafa. Wabla Bob, Nasibi, if you say na, a Bessiaco.
My bomb, brass and a fatal mangana.
Okay.
Bibi biara was here to swaba. Mebuza mo say ade we here to swaba yi. Emo ba na de be ma omangana. Say adwempa na taachire ade a be bo omangana na bia ka me constituency Kumawu constituency na. Of course they get my vote.
Okay.
na say yade a emwa Ghana na de beko ohaw mu ni amane mu na nso maybe shrouded in secrecy any the omunya me vote.
Okay.
Intermediate Ghana first. Medwina o man Ghana ho. Esan say o dwina o man Ghana ho a adepa bia be fa o man Ghana mu no ebi be ka won so.
Okay.
Na bia ka won manfo. Me nko na o nko ntokwa o. Dabi. Ya na o mse wudi akunwa besin. Nya ba bia akunwa ni si ne
hia.
Akoma na da o mu ni adwene na wo de yi adwuma no enne hia. Anu ntino se medi makonwa si MPP fo mu se NDC fo mu ade a ye debate wo ho ade a ye ka ho asem no
faso be na de be pro man no
faso me na de bre o man Ghana le bia ka me constituency
na chese wo de wo fa party ideology ne parochial interest in commerce bi kefio.
At this moment in my life I'm looking beyond party colors.
Okay,
the colors doesn't matter. Akoma wo ma o man no ene wo manfo no anu nti na me ye de me ye no
yenim so wa koma pa sanse won commerce bi kefie kura no unuma edi ho adanse e wo kumawu abato mpesua nso papa ye nhwe yenya ne nti ye se achopa bi akoso yenim de na wote ye ne yebisa wo MPP for to so sa power chewo senkebe ya tetena wo mu aka kan wo se da bi wo bakwa akoso mo manfo enunti ene bi kwa yehu de yehu anoma ne anoma kente ni kente kwakudua ne kwakudua yi ampa chopa bi akoso adwato bi aba
se me kase amana me yo trufo adwato aba na nsumanso
sa
isanse mpanisi de ofuru dua pa ne piano adebone be ne ma ya me mfata se me komrehye bedwam koso me manfo
o buro so kra wo se fata wo twem kra dada
one nipa na ye say me minsi from no nkofa no or running on MPP party ticket.
Yeah, okay.
I am running as independent candidate.
Okay.
Again, I'm yes, we are contestants. We are both contesting for the same seat. Now then I will say, we are independent form. MPP form will say independent in the bar. There will be some sort of negotiations. Say, kwaku ebia abawe ya yetu ye hia wo boy na mso aka cham se mate meboa na me so me constituency ye hia university ni bi
okay
nti wo mso mo moye sa kwa no so kwa kwa de we ya ye hwan yi ye hia wo aboa me nko se me kono ma kontokwa o dabi na me so me no negotiate me say more than teacher training college there mo moye ba ko constituency ni fata bi the whole constituency nursing training ni bi esra mo moye bi akwan papa no these basic things are enkrofo no omu constituency mu a omu amre ho eno na ye dey struggle wo hu yi
okay
so omu frase ye ne ma we nkitinkiti ya nka office say omu betum rika say afi no mba ne ma gidigidi ebe chesika chentoma chemo chanwa edien me ka kire me manfo no me say he munyini eye Ghana sika na mo ma ne mfram ani
okay
mo ma ne nsem adwen yendim tibia na ye timu a ye gusu timu so na meche no akwan no mo se mo sand ato dada ye da o mo ase ade ne ye fata kwan papa na enko ye se sope na o mo ye no o mo nye ni na mai
okay
uko dwoso a fijikwa nyina ye dwabin ya ye enya de papa
okay
de pa konongo ye ya ye agogo nsuta mampo na no da dobonso ni nyina o mayo makwan o mo fijikwa nyina kama ade na kuma wudie ye trawa akopem se ye ru abaso a eda ne bonkum so
anasa adwene ko eye se eye de ne aye ho ye MPP dia ti ye yo ya nyu o mu di vote do be maye sa adwene so ho ana
ene o mu ne obi ka se ne ye ne ene o mu ne so mu susu se kane abato on se ye se wode akokọ ana odwan kra gina ona de MPP colors ni dra no ho a ye beto abama wa kwakudu agina independent youth na be fa me na youth na so na gusu bo machidom
entu mu se adwato e ba ye ne chopa e ba ye nkitanwudi e ba ya wo de wo se wo man kumawunti wade hie nti obekọ me ase bidefie na so akwa akosomo no akwa yifa ama MPP enya ho tirim kan bi ana so mabọ ho po bi asie
ene de mitimi nkire ene wo mo a na sabe se obi ekun ana se o twa sabi a ye papa amane manfo na se wunwuma pa wo yenti wade pa wo yenti ye benya nkotan de a ene etoje wo mo a
na okay
etoje wo mo a na me dem nim se yehu atiasi agina to boni biara on betu afa me hu bia no enyina
okay na uji ni so metimi abopo bi akotia wo
kwambenso
se bia unkunim die mu ne o campaign wo ye o messages ya ekofom bia wo be dan wo nsem nani
obetumi dan me nsem nani ngoma dan dada I don't know the evidence is clear until my notice board say my dance is all over the place.
And to what dance na a nightmare at the MPP.
Oh yes, because ngom be and ngom be show. Inti afi no mo pe bibi die achire.
All this why MPP ni bibi a wo de be kire se kumawu me modi moni.
Me de my dance achire. Otumfo say wo pese ye to so aba. Kire de waye. Na me kan kire se de meye. Se no mo bibi wo sa ngom de achire dada. On message ni saying free SHS. Yeah. Ghana nyina dia. And what difference does it make? At the papa, I mean, at the papa.
Okay.
At the papa. Now, universal in the country. And you know what is so special about say almost free SHS and TNN. So na me channel. Obi a enjoy bi.
Yeah.
So na me channel. Kumawu yensuo. If you frame, ebedru kumawu krum. Na 3 phases. Phase 2, I was say free kumawu ekosi oyoko. Nsuo no way. Phase 3, I was say free yoko ekofa branwam banko elibesi sechere. Nsuo no wo hefa.
Okay.
Ya kan we ya mo say da bi munye aduane ni na munwe fi mu hawo. Munye mo ani anwa enkodi na munwe fi mu hawo. Hey, what all these years? Emu we made in nothing. Anwa no we did nothing. Mo ko fantuma bre emrewafo ene ekunafo. Moya de nanso eniema eye titiri no a yehia I benefit the whole community no away. Where are the schools?
Okay.
Where are the roads? And kwan papa nkofo enjoy na ewo hinfa. So na me che no. Kwagudu in my own capacity, me try say me jump start tourism industry.
Okay.
Yihu niema e de akire. Kwagudu in my own capacity. My first school buses, I demand to contribute in so I know offer from 4 months, 5 months to the examination centers.
Okay.
3 years in a row and counting.
Oh, wow.
Because Mayor Kopim say, Abanbe say, a your own responsibility. So the exams never call and Naso. Due to the logistics, that's a wound to be found. You have to find a means to bring them to the exam center.
Okay.
So I'm Bichano. Yes. Kwakudia mihu se enkola nketoa no mu gina bia kataban so no mu do insinsan dendendin abaya ba ko de wabu nkotodwe e wona knees ene wo twamra no twentwa me say anenti na anya bibi mfa ho. And for that reason the me and say ma procure 3 tractors.
Wow.
And the ba ko to banko e be take care of Brownwam schools no the ba ko to kuma na take care of kuma schools no.
Wow.
And the ba ko to bodoma say very soon wow. Why? Because me dream of Frano. Where ye nipa or ya dia young piano. No more yes, 1 10 sign. Maintain some going. A brand no over a day and why. On Fametry. Or 2 for you pursue to Soba. Say the way. Or make the way. MPP party in the Omayama man or Monfantele. Or my show my dance here as individual. Almost show my dance here.
Papa, you shed your way in Nano. Nanka MPP do menka sanche ema wo mu na mencho mu do munye nanka muntimi ma me hu se akura empuntuo ne yapese ye de bleku mewuma no wa hyase dada entinga sa ba election ya ekosui wanka se di anim ekom na se bidwe fie ma ye omu ba na sa nanka wo ne omu nya adua na se yemfa candidate ma
omu ba na sa nka me preso esan se empuntuo no na me koto aso no ma ye adwuma no. Oh, I will say, Baswa na mumpeno. We don't hate Baswa as a person. But, set Baswa, MPP, Amanyo Kono, Antimi Amfano, so Amfam Punto, Amano. Near lacking Puntuno. And Puntuon near to Abase. And as a Mabunba farm said, Papa, and yet the only option left is independent. In the Bebe as independent. I gave them the option, say, Munim says it in the media. Bibinti, any jamu. And don't you think that it's about time you return the goodwill?
Okay.
Now, Muslim can say, oh, and the bear said, and controversial interest in Tinonia, your bear primaries, in Tinia be contested. Muslim himself,
as a man before Cassia or no.
Penny Obama and Chandy or Kachaman, Nam guys say, when him so much at delegates, no much. Menkola Obama far from that, there would be delegates for Kogudiano. Moka win a good just or Moko independent. And the what disqualify. And they know my position about this delegate system. So how can a few people you beg you almost said delegates? No one ever determine the fate of the whole majority.
Okay.
So and it's a nippon manipulate Omoka Krabia. Money talks, right?
Yeah.
Next I say, what is Sika? No they are fat, no they call. Into one deliver crowd, himself so taking care of the delegates now. A bit me about Manasa called the next step.
Yeah.
Into obey and Puntumo, Onion Puntumo, or Matomano.
Into a corner, what shall I say a pedelegates?
Thank you. I didn't escape Beno. When him says 3,000, 3,000 Mutuano, and 4,000. Who can't nipa 10 year bomber? It me too so. The whole community benefiting. I don't know, can nipa bear 30 dear mum. Now, fancy toilet facility, and we knew our baby a bini crano. Kwaguri SEC toilet facility. To jumpstart tourism, I won't chrome cry. Toilet in this one. Must oh, we're independent in the one form. I mean, what can we are? The youth are solidly behind me. Not only the youth. Now, me man for now who say, you are somebody I didn't buy one. No, be any masa.
Okay.
But my imagine say, December yano, you better tourism home to me. So on the channel. And unti, ena me a day. Me friends say, Sani ma begu eni mo ase se obi aba o mansin mu na ope ba bia ne hu yie na onya ba bi nko eni hu yie no
hadwen
omo ngodi en wadanse
papa ye hu madanse eni no o hwe ye Facebook page ni so a dan bi sisi ha ebi wa ha aha menim sa bridge ni ye o se de na
ye omo ye no mtwa sa picture ba ye bridge na linking the market abubu omko district to district so niska.
When are we a bridge?
I'm a bridge.
Wow.
Come on, up a bridge.
Wow. Wow.
District no. Or you go toilet facility. I know Musu. I am a busu. I know Muntimin Koso. As in Soto, cholera outbreak no. Nay, most likely. Omoko district. Omo Yeska, Mama Fanko toilet no. 2020 as an American. Minimum Muska, Ediko toilet no. A year, a man say, Omo Yusu.
Wow.
So na me chano. Aden. Na omu die nam sa kwan so.
Papa ye be ko ohun say intimidation mi koso. Intimidation bi koso e wo camp say independent candidate e wo kumawu by election ya ebe so ina. Intimidation koso.
There's one incident that made me aside. Ye ko baby ni eba. The driver let me say, convoy be the and I'm saying, convoy bear. Also, to me about convoy be the and I'm so cold. Saying, I call. In the air, do no crew, and I'm saying, on crew, no one packet, no more messing. Your packet, your car, oh, no crew, yes, your driver, your packet, your so messing. The way say, MPP for you, all machines are mobile born, you know. Egu pickup truck kase ba kumna besimenim tundra abesimenim twen ablock manim
opelie
na fe ba kwa besimi nchen na ba kwa besi abeto aso na ba kwa besi machi kase
wa shemfinfin
o ma san wo chime oba ma park no na nka jabra ndenze o ntwen no nya buto no masisi fom o mo bonnum o mo sa bonnum ye dede
no anya ho na woko
no na me kokuma wu na me nyandui na me ma kwan amoma besi omo anye na omo besan wo chime omo sarando me anam ka cham se obi anye ku obi antim fo ne sanka obi a na muze ka ba kwa move nam ka cham driver say back off kakra na fa pie frim enti omo sane ade no do mu yansi ya pia ya tu a ye ko these people chase as I'm using the word chase yes omo tumlika ding the mu yansi big machine truck no the tundra no what's I go overtake him no be di manim e kwa ne nti ne yedru yato ebo aye de ye tutom ko o de be di mani o de be di manim ene o ko ne ba ko be di me left side
onu mo how pa ni say
omo how de omo na be kire but if they intended to intimidate me there anya adwuma minzro mo kwan bia so no amount of intimidation ene be ma me kwakudu a masesa ma bi
okay
ene me man fo so etamachi ene am so mi nyi machi mi na machi ma omo be hu me no me prince wa enka de me pe bi omo de mema me
okay
na me say me ni me man fo no betena o haw ni amani mu ni yakon ade age ye fa hudie eno ye better sense me selfish me kwa koji bibi e won che me jai dwumadi a minim se me ko ama omo na omo so tamachi se me nkoma omo enti kwakuri amemre omo na omo so mre me
papa benada na nyame ya adoma abato no e ba so ye ko ubi ede na wo ka ade a che titu kumawu man se odomfo no ye adom na wo de da benada che ye ne a omunye de needful
de ameka kire omo ane se mo obi ansuro tumi na nam krom police for soldier for mo bari nyina no omo wo so mbebo omanfo ho ban tu nipa kro ko obi ansori waka enkoto naba omo nkai omo asetena no motimu na omo hwe mfanto aba no sikani ade e beto agu omo so anajo ade e bechame ato aba ne da na eto aba ne nyina no omo nyini na omo man no mfra omo ani omo man no so ense omo adwen na yenkoto aba no ma independent na afa mpunto ni yedie na omo so omo hye embo no eno na befa so amana to aso na aba enti Mr. Radi ho aden ene ho bambo edema me manfo ni nyina
okay
so omo ma eda no emeto ya asundwe mu ni nyina nkoto aba no bum 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 ema kwakudu a otoso number 3
okay
oh ayi no so ballot paper no so
papa we de nka ye wia no ahoboa be no wa ya se ko ba se dabana abato no ekọ na wie ya abato komisa ne mpanyifo kenkan no ozo ye nyanenti ye se 2020 bibi ko so a nka ba ile be gba kese pa
aye kwan
na
aye kwan
anu
ye na no so ye de niam gugu
okay okay na che se uno ma hwie gu a na mpanyisi wo hyehyɛ sa pepepe abuziafo ye no wonyamfo ko kudua wono no ko ballot paper no so a wotoso me yensa ofra kente ena anoma ebupuro ahamono esena no enti wohunu ebupuro fita ahamono esena no na je se wohunu se kokudua we no original kokudua kuma woman eso open wo ko as an independent candidate na obahwe papa ni nyuma wayo Brian Facebook page ni so empanyisi asem ni dance e twabi ni e dia ya dance e na obahwe content group where bridge trata wade ebe ma school for ado waso ma akora bi ano bio Africa ni wontira nya sadia nka obi a won kom ya hye bidwefie mu na otimi yesa na o ma we de bo anu manfo de san company si di onum to no anya di ni gina tro no anu we de yenya emakuma wuman na yenhwe ba bi ensusai e de bode ho be fa was 2024 2020 bibi bete ba ya homa mu a nkunumdie ndie ne obi anim se ye berima kwa kudua de a na aseme kwa me bi ye kan nkwantia woni nim de ahobo awayo abusia ye na ye ho ni aboafo nka to ni mra ye ba ye beto aso.
I get wings to fly. Oh, I'm alive.
Sorry, dear fa. One kasa wo de hoa wo hu. Mo hwe me skin. Ama me sha atare a memre kra. Nyame Sure Skin City Laboratorium. Adepa ene ton no. Ye hyperpigmentation and a hypopigmentation. Eno ye yadewa gudu bia ewo redie nani a Skin City pe ene betimi ye free ho. Malesma eye nan so be ye wo manim sunburn area show freckles ene nkeka ho. Eno danche ye ka bibi se acne. Acne ye pimple e bani panim. Ebidia susu. Ye wo ititosis. Not one say now on saka skin na. Well, Phyllis skin rare sa fish a ye rare ho. Senior and your white dog. cloth and patches about DNA. Ubonso Boa already and Nina Muni said the Yabu plates, and our guiders, and keratosis, and also a strawberry. Strawberry, not players, a wood jacoqua, said the Aqua Motia, Simon Kadam Kademono, and your anti-aging facial creams, and no SCS or wrinkles, and many pediana son of a fair fair, and yes, also Wobewari was canning ye. A yes, Kane City Laboratorium pet, and a mecan for the amount, and your what dry dark knuckles, and no air will say Chiatuntum, what must have been a color for pa. Now, so in search ye nama, I feel your dark neck, or call say no, now your tomb, and you was severe dry skin, you was severe oily skin, and a damaged skin repair. When it was wasa, a yes, Kane City Laboratorium pet, and a mecan for the amount. Facial and body waxing, a bab wow. So, what Kane City Laboratorium, my chapanya, you was so Corimampo, affordable house in Shiny Mupe, for 0248 936297 0248 936297. Oh, by Joe, so it's my phone.
Missy, Lufat, now watch my where you.
Hey, malaria drew Lufat. To my wedding, where your hospital.
Sister, where I imagine there, few hours to my wedding. No, Missy, Sim, whom I yeshape. Linketa was Mikunia. My husband is sick.
Hey, Jamo Tornado, Nabas annoying.
What's the water tested positive for malaria?
No, not into one for ambulance now.
Up ambulance. It's not a bicycle.
No, Yaxi from Kakabo.
No, kick. Many wedding gonna me make up Nina. Sometimes nearest pharmacy. So one meji Lufat.
Entrance pharmaceuticals for malaria bruna.
Inyo. No ye now. One chair. Mukuno china nenadi. A brand pa.
No kuniso. No pona waka that you may kiss the bride. If you want to show day.
No, donna. Man, you don't know.
Indeed, I will malaria and come to them. Lufat. A malaria drop test for malaria before treatment. FDA ashesa ejede inkratoi ajatum se eye.
Abuzafo ya dawase se matwe ya ni ade ejede inkrato aba aya jenkwa 101.9 ekase fidie so we ya foko kudua na ye ne no edi enkomo no na ewo yisi se minim se de saa de we ni sitie kwa kudua ofia kente kwa kudua foforo ofia kente kwa kudua ta senso de ya anoma kwa kudua senso de ya anoma Ghana ni Africa Ghana politics ready to go azebo everyone about just sit as educa that my MPP NDC abekuo no na Mira Abdul Wahab ekasa de ma MPP amekuo no ma me nko won mo nchen na memusa won mse fimpu etise sita
mina
if you boko de
nyankopon aya de kese mina
nde nyankopon
ase de ne so ache akanya ka ti asefo ho
yeah
ma ya betena fidi kese so a yesa betwa adwento ato ano so amagana afa no ntoma pae den efreni ose krom
sita emfoni ya now be share Facebook isu kumawu by election na ekoso no yewe kwa kudua se wo petition electoral commission mami jemensa se won hwe de akoso ewo ballot paper no so ono yewe kwa kudua no otoso mensa ofra kente na senso de ya no ma mutua na no eno na ode ko 2020 eno asa maintain no enye enya kwa kudua foforo a wonso fra kente wonso na senso de ne ya no ma asa
nuna me dase before I because no ohun sa ade a notice of poll ya modaba be na ohwe kwa kudua number 3 no na abronoma na sa hwe we na e abronoma na but o ma make o ma ye ni such a way say o kala o skeleton o nya independent obi anso kwa kudua no no ma hu say a grand scheme
sir
by some section of we MPP party for any
what is MPP
and in connivance with the EC, the electoral officers, to get the man say
money niveau so unya in 2020 elections no on best no because omunim say in 2020 elections he got somewhere around 11,000
yeah
and I do any 15,000 or 14,000 or so. I forgotten about the figure. And he said omu say do almost ya to kumawufu ajejem na oman hwe kumawuman
they say do mu ya kwan mu yo makwan
that be well unim that is one funny part of politics. Sometimes they say they be American say Ghanaian electors are very discerning. Say omani atio you don't wait till say by elections be bansa na the machines akosi akwan so say wo dua akwan eno no a vote buying machinery now putting in place. The people are very smart. You have been buying for 6 years. Basua NAMP for 6 years before his demise. Montima bibi papa bi ama Crawford. And nipa na all independent no.
Oh yeah,
personally. Ono aye niema pa e di ama kuma woman. Kuma woman for person comedy or rewarding in 2020 elections. And due to one or two issues, I say during the coalition, light no went off. Light no buy and we leading by 4,000. And no rough tactics are on more than parties yes just to get their people into the race. But sometimes more timam for no. Say nipa no wu mu se by elections say ba mo de ma quickly mo de machines akosi o de machines no kosi o just to confuse the people into thinking say government is going to do their kwan etika ewu baso anwu ena nkabaso anwu etika machines no kenko
no mu che se wo nku an nke be baso bo na bibia everything
afterthought wo nke be baso. And no yes something that you are projecting. A projection away. Nipa no etiase no. Yes say ajamati ase na your friend Samuel.
Ajekum tiase
my friend.
Yes you Samuel no akoda Samuel.
Nipa no tiase no antima am machines na nko. Owu ya why na engineer say emfa machines no nko. Why na call lobby say emfa machines no nko. Because they knew say by elections was coming and nipa no so aye then or contested as independent candidate in the 2020 elections no or the upper hand to win the seat to omono thinking and use rough tactics be just to split nipa no vote but the air catch up say where NDC for we are not perturbed because we know the kind of job ahead no underground and NDC as a political party Kumawuman when it comes to development in Kumawuman more than enough. It's this seat is for grab for the NDC. Among Koso no more rough tactics and MPP chairman, a friend say, WAB chairman, WAB regional chairman, a friend say,
Bernard
Chibosi. On the Nam Kumawa, sorry, dime. E bunko to dwe e pa cha say ento abama omo udi asempa
ase kumawu e free bra by election yes e ban e mo ni anwade we ya de bebo
ya nti ka by elections ama ka mo nyesa adwene no by election die be nti na be ma a whole regional chairman obekwa ko bunko to dwe e wa asore say ento abama me wo pictures no ama posting on me
Facebook e bia no bunko to dwe bo mpaye
there be o pa cha say ento abama omo. It's wawa bam for 6 years. One time bibi papa bia ma constituency no. And by election say bano. Unim a repetition of what happened in 2008. MPP mpanyi for start boom ko to ma Ghana for no. It's an admission say they have failed.
I know yes it has said.
E dey betre be ma wa boom mami picture ne nkyere wo say dey be.
Na see bia na on sem pai bo. Oba wo gina obi tirase. Obi sam ne nine na obi so ebu nkutudwe. Yeah.
But unim
wow. Akra efie boko
me send am project picture no
bia boko tekrema ida bodwem na mojanso de afrisani na human selection yi me no nyina ya nya bia ye ba bebubu o man kronkro Ghana we e aseda na ye de be mo ocho nyankopo
na ya nhwe kumawu by election said ye na ye rekokudua ni di nkomo ballot paper aba onu ni di ye kokudua ofra kente na senso de ye buburo ahaban mono se na no ye nya another kokudua onso fra kente onso asenso de ya no ma
ye ben say eduanaba ontimi una ma mfa nkwahye wo kechiri
ane independent ontimi no
ontimi no ma no mfa nkwahye ne kechiri
sa na abato onyi se mu utimi nya asenso de mienu ya de kro
na asenso
different candidates
tobo the writer ye ni free so we ye fine hwa asenso de no we no ya abro no ma we deep me boa
we deep
tobo
and a vicious skeleton
tobo we ye painting white me boa and a green bi ekotena no me boa the second and all facing fa all facing fa
we facing off
and
a we facing south
and a color ni the same and a green susu nye dey enter ho that is 1 2 yam fan ko ni to so mienu hwe ono kokudua o soro ho no hwe face hwe kokudua o tesoro no hwe ni face hwe o nyina na o se ni o soro no onani afi ese ni o fom no me boa hwe o kente no enye kente ba ho ya santire onu se kente awufra no nye the same difference wom ni di ya different and a colors ni eren different me boa utimi no man nkofo so ke chiri na me kan se mi chire o kuma woman fo nya ye fence any frafo
se project na wa ye no mu ya na
mu ye ana say omunye ayifo se o mewe nanim aka say oni ni we ni difference bi edim so clearly on timi ni nyoma so a e man fa blame no
ye project ya wo ye no kumawu
say
Rashid Fatoso na wahabo nhwe yewra kwakudua wose madansi watwe so madansi ye enie ene nya krata so ba bi ebisi bia wo kwai wo ho onsa bridge bi na wo ho no bridge no ya wie bla wo ye bridge na no se say bridge no wo wie wo ho tractors na sisi wo no wo che ediama areas miensa sem koda
tobo
omukosu omudono omumobio
tobo ye be boy ho kakra tractors for clearing school parks in the constituency say wachama omo wache wachama school so good obasake ona kumewu enia esreso toilet facility and oba ne yakon I say bombing toilet facility and oba your friend say akrochire toilet facility and oba ha or say recreational park me wa for with pool for both adults and children at Nkwanta me boa oba ha de o si e de na to so 3 years and counting
free transport to BEC
exam centers now oba proposed office flat at no na say no crampo de yenkon and our construction of apechire wanazade apechire bridge meboa good oye toilet ni nyina emu bie ni wa per the pictures are on abe ya den ya complete what you must say
okay
it's good as a son of that yina or the year you know meboa but it's up to the people to decide.
Okay.
And if the people think that all these things are why a idea a so monia, why then do you have go about crying? Oh yeah. My okay. The deciders will decide. Whatever MPP will do at that grounds, if only Niawoka say why impact, positive impact on the people. What am I say? Than near MPP for INA. So be it. Regardless of the kente, my petition, my essay, yeni muane ni mudada. What am I say?
And who Jesus idea a mu MPP? And maybe a by election cost baby. And I would muni pako jinaye. And your party be yemu say ya. Can you say nipa no wontimi ne no
ne empesa wote ase ne say for us MPP otomase ye the symbol ne ba osono no ewo ho if you like bring the same colors otomase definitely otimi the wo so no be shem send ye won so pe but not that same color and exactly what the guy has done Kokudia has done otomase maybe problem ne say candidate na ye dey kono or no person say the picture bo
okay
say ensesa the picture logo no dey hia
logo hia
logo no is just something but the face matters
say abayeto no twade especially ye ma me no ne ye papa no mo a juwa bi akenkan ho odene no wo hwe logo no de ato aba
o hwe logo and or the idea
ato aba
good
so obi ho a ya twe akufu adugu ho a ya twe ma na gu a wo na mom wo hu wo so no na wo hu tini ya wo be go person to na ba
don't worry
ususu logo
don't worry say it is adia sa kokudua logo no sa kokudua logo no or you seen it for the previous 2000 maybe so they still know that logo
anoma
omunim sa anoma no they know it
omunim
koku di anoma and omunim asaka koku di anoma and so there's nothing but let me tell you one funny thing this is not the first time here ko by election okrum ha say we dey logo
yeah
and obi betena ha we didi there was a by election at Tuo Ekasai.
Okay.
There was a by election at Binimu Ewuye. There was a by election in this country. The Chika, Efa, party be supporters on one eye so meboa. But in the end, no, I didn't see it.
Okay.
They still lost that election. So me intimidation or not intimidation, the bottom line is very simple. None one day presidential election, presidential primaries, you the machinations that went on. Including hiding and refusing, explaining the party. Your friend is saying, your friend is saying, one more
constitutional.
One more. Your friend is saying, album. Somebody call here. We don't vote with album. We vote with list. We were all here. So they are all part of machination and ways of getting your candidate through. And in politics, and in an election. You don't break away from my party and expect me to treat you with kids' gloves.
Okay.
No. The man goes there as an independent candidate. He decides which political party is going to join in parliament. Now that we are, and you see what your friend is saying, Famina. Now we are now coming. Your party, they say now I was saying in Casa. Now he's now coming for us to pay all his campaign dues, campaign expenditure, and son of Wajah to say, Mr. Speaker, I want to do business with the
there's a more mafia.
More mafia. The point is say you're treating away. Say Hano and I born the mafia. Do you want us to? We treat you as an enemy, political enemy. Okay. So to say, not no. In the game, no, you want to Nasa Konya na ope. So we are looking for the seat. Now on the issue of
you are treating him according to the rules of the game. Yatiasie. Sita.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have the experience and vision to reset Ghana. Mahama. I remember the experience in the Buo mine. Sadia. Obaka Kwame Nkrumah go and Jimmy Amame. Na Mahama da Bain who see the experience in the Buo mine. Yamfa Ghana mano. Na on reset the clock no. And sa MEC baby na ewo yentio e experience ne kuta no e dia na wo babe
me da se me nua ka about political violence I call so by elections no we say he engaged in selective amnesia na me say ka oba be kan aide ayawa so west wo almost sa unbanded tax and criminals I show mo military for ne kamo Kamo Moko ball no less than a person than a certain MP assume. Some George assume. I be 9 abua I in the surgery 5 times. I in a year or that's what the fee. And you know. Sa na eyenim seka minim seka obeka un say oh can't anything about political violence I characterize it with your friend say by elections who mention the worst form of it, the worst. I was worst wagon. Okay. The worst. Young person be who crampo away history biom which we don't want to even repeat it itself. Okay. I was always working put to a bomb for soon. One political party pulley off from the race. Mina, before I because on my main chair party for my Jibre 80 programming. Na me chair so I'm constituency for. Na me chair so I'm delegates. I see a hen in 2 hen for. I say on my ad the my on my ad pa. And we came to sell our candidate to them. They be me betena for the case so I'm a Tom candidate a mom. And but we spoke the truth. I knew and they bought into the truth. And by the grace of God and my elected Franco Usu Ansa as our PC for Swami constituency, a young chap who is very vibrant and ready to work. We congratulate him. We congratulate him and Yewura Safiano nso yemano better luck next time. He's a party person. I already say on the party in be adwuma so ya bie ensem amano say the party in be adwuma. Whatever transpired during the primaries. Let's bygone be bygone. Let's bygone be bygone. Honestly, me in particular, I didn't insult anybody. Yeah, okay. But along the line, maybe I could slip. And my attack will be the person should find a place in his heart or her heart to forgive me. And I said, me obia odi matem. Et said, di na ye to abana a former chairman catch him say me ma no. I've forgiven him. Okay. I've forgiven him because because me when he say politics hasn't gotten to the stage I was say you beat me do be my atem mundi mo personally atem. And I said one thing, I will never insult his mother because the mother is equally my mother. So man shall I jinje na man share ni sister nje moja anyway. Na man hwe ni sisters a omudi omachi ne olimojemo na me kasa me so me kwa kudi ne maame atem bia me ma na madi me ho atem. And I wasn't raised that way. You know, baby obi me honestly before man and God I've forgiven him. You know, yeah catch the party for nyina say obi ansom fa nche na yenko yanim. Victory 2024 is our priority, is our biggest priority, and we are working towards that victory, and we are not going to just waste our time. All forces must come together and work for that victory. Okay. Mina, John Dramani Mahama say he's the best person with experience to change the hands, the country's fortune. The experience in Iboma. Yes, experience, technical know-how, and wisdom in a debu of mine. And if you have these three, if you have these three, experience, technical know-how, and wisdom, there is no way you he has it already. Track record as a president from 2012. ABC 2016. I'll take it 6 months from Morse after the unfortunate demise of President Morse. 6 months. I have 4 years, 6 months. No, it shows clearly. Said the man is on top, and the man is a person that obey me. I changing the fortunes of this country. No two ways about that. And you said, "O man, 2025 didn't obey me." And about a Yampiato, and about Atem Didier, and about slogans. It's about practicality, what you can do, what you are bringing on board as president. I'll be Yamatima for Naide. I want Tomo. Mini Adianaba. Say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama say or the experience. Nasa also come back. Now a track record. The track record speaks volume. President John Dramani Mahama is the only president in this Fourth Republic who invested massively, hugely in our economy than any other government in this Fourth Republic. When it comes to Aquine, when it comes to infrastructure, when it comes to school adine, when it comes to human development, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama stands tall. And nobody in Ghana, in our political history, can take away that Niamano from His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Adiana Bayam Fambra hospitals. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama under his watch. And I be whom say a free BB Ghana Bank of Ghana Hospital. Debt ya ye jiji nyina no so ojebosia ye free BB asset debt and liability debt. Liability debt ene MPP4A engaging in. Omuji sikana inse so mbe putuno into things that can repay itself. They are rather engaging in consumption and liability. By His Excellency John Dramani Mahama's borrowing were things that were invested in assets. A bit is a UGMC. University of Ghana Medical Center. And serve 8 purpose. A bit is a Terminal 3. A bit is a Atuabo gas. A bit is a Commander Sugar Factory. Chese eniema bebre oye ya sa niema no etimi tua no aka etimi ma oman no esanso nya benefit wom. When His Excellency John Dramani Mahama was confronted with an energy sector crisis, I a friend who dum so. Or Tanasi who said that be as president there or say you have to fix the problems. And yes, man ad hoc measures. So on only departed from the previous governments or my bar or monos or confront us problems we or we use to ad hoc measures say or they solve by bringing in America power, any car power and then a save or my by bringing in Asogli and also retrofit old machines are not because of prices of crude. Yentimi enyede and running or retrofit omo into say omo use gas. Outside there tuable gas by Krumwa. Emma and ne a save my $500 million annually. That is His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. No president in this country under this Fourth Republic has able to provide idea it means save or money $500 million a year annually. Just a President John Dramani Mahama. So John Dramani Mahama has the track record. He's not speaking out of vacuum. He's speaking based on a Niema Waye. Ukohene track record in terms of digitalization. President John Dramani Mahama built Accra Digital Center, built all the fiber optics. The longest fiber optic service Maimuha Volta region to the northern region was built by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So John Dramani Mahama is not saying things out of ordinary. He's saying things which are feasible, things which he can do. And Adrianaba, every country is built on buffers. You cannot build a country without buffers. That is why His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, before Krampa 2016, will create a fund called Sinking Fund. Outside create another called the Stabilization Fund. Outside create Heritage Fund. And COVID hit here in 2020. President Akufo-Addo echo that stabilization fund echo for His Excellency John Dramani service oye no ho $220 million okoyi mu $210 million e dey be fight COVID. That is what we call buffers. They support your economy. Adianaba, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has the vision and the technical know-how. Obetimi biya adwuma no. Enti se okase obetimi aye and he has you cannot but like and admire the okai no.
And to say experience ni vision na ekuta no abra obeye o mampanyi do ye no eso Ghana for
na make a say in the history of this country, in the annals of this country, in our fourth republic, a BC unim tertiary desalination plant for 12 decades. Now omunya ensuo ho. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama making sure say he will take water to that place by bringing in that desalination plant. Unim atuabo gas. Atuabo gas. There be we borrowed $200 million. $200 million to build that factory, and it's part of our the problems that are solve our energy sector. Ama esevu or money not less than $500 million annually. Atuabo gas, no. Car power, asogli, retrofitting of old plants are now a use of fuel. Now fuel boy the intimi ento. Gas or mine. So His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, when it comes to hospitals, so you must the hospital. Unim sewa kumau.
Okay.
Even President Akufo-Addo's own backyard. Chebi. Water nipo din soko His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. T3 sansu na yedi bi call your friend saying buta mo and friends baby Dennis kwa free no
kumewu
dabi. Oh, I've forgotten about this place. Ofa Pankrono. Mampong.
Okay.
He brought in all those things. Osai see not less than 120 brand new secondary schools are all free. So not pay the Minister of Education then Ayenapu was saying John Dramani Mahama completed not less than 46 of them. When it comes to say Nipa or what and Iswadi say ya bobosia yedi eye and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the benchmarker was set here ofri akonya so na ye 50 ye debt to GDP 55.6 and that is the benchmark this government has set for itself. So ombetimi anya unim say in 2016 economic meltdown we are say afana nyina ema ye neighboring country Nigeria recession they grew by 2.06%. Recession. John Dramani Mahama prudent management. It's your money and recession. Ultimately grow by not less than 3.5%. Emma, IMF, and all the World Bank activity, World Bank, and all the financial sectors are more or my we are seeing now. Eka say because of John Dramani Mahama's prudent okay. Because of John Dramani Mahama's prudent investment in the economy will grow by 55% in 2017.
I know yes, it has said you
in 2017. We grew by that amount, by that percentage. In 2017, 2018, the economy started shrinking. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, he has the technical know-how, he has the knowledge, and obetimi ayden.
Uyam ayekro anase emu kekao uhia amuzu ke uyam tutu anase emu samfono uhia amuzu ke wayase ya oya anase wo afichikro mu haw uhia amuzu ke heba mixture ebi wo heba shop bia mu frɛ 0247776743
aya jenkwa wazu wampona kasafidie so wahab mira yentie we
Yanaba. My NCT for now, me fa konya was na me chairman or den who kuku apia bibia ubia. Na in wish candidate since or seater candidate no be mean so me candidate. And also wish seater for the first time I was supporting candidate or winning election. Red Bone baby bia or die be an on san koda hoye because san no me we yet me abeta which am o win and so so gina hopa. I say no me because no me no call election bina or Lucy.
Sir.
We dear why are dear. He has fought a good fight and of course the candidate were winning election with a very wide and massive gap. It's very good and we hope and pray that typical of politicians, Minya Red Bone, or Ombewi and Desert Sita. Because it is typical of politicians.
Okay.
Say, when
could say could you upon Kuma catch them say? 7
George Anda.
Okay.
Book.
Okay. So and Joanna Copa Huntuma.
And you know Koju and Eka words of Koju friends and George Anda.
Okay.
But say there's wisdom in that book.
Okay.
So we are young politician, you have to be very, very careful in your support and everything. And catch so be seen a Okoyeni, Okoyini Mokuna, many number, be I send them Rambekaja, Bonichi. Oh, senior Inami Hobi. One and him near where is you all. Uncle Swanade. Dianaba. His Excellency, the former President John Dramani Mahama. Okasa, Yana, Asemo. So I would have advised, say, Omo Ben, or Muntunofo, says, or Kasaya, on fa a year day, and to so. But on record, or may say, Oko Jibosia, Niamar project, a say, Oko Jibosiano, Nase Sa Bosiano, ye Kenkai project I ebeye, Sika de ye. Eye sika eka bosia abana nkasa akoje ho bia no.
Okay.
Aban no timi claim ownership of that project. But project anya wo na wo giye. Se me mama advice ntini pa corona edi aye adwuma ntino. You cannot claim the project because enka bosia na wo se yesi maje bosia meje bosia ko ye da bi sa project no bosia no. Sa sika no enka wo bosia na akoje ye no. E ko hwe records na enka ho. And you to me man say one year busiano be credit in the opesa we den o de je. But I agree with you because I abreso na esimesin mu see fine, but don't claim ownership of that project. Ebinim to say Maritime Hospital, ebinim to say Bank of Ghana Hospital, ebinim to say your friend saying Terminal 3. I have argued here, brought bank even saying Ghana Airport Company one more report for that year. I've argued here and brought the friend saying say tepe a year or troye, indicating that it was done on this. So these issues, I will not even go there and even talk about them again because no matter, unless you want to do intellectual dishonesty just to project your party.
When say Mahama or vision or experience.
Experience say what am I say? And you know the second one mpese osan etiase and say, look, hospitals, if you total, even those hospitals, even the history is there. Eurojet projects, parliamentary and cabinet approval was done under Kufuor. Only consent was given by His Excellency Mills, and the project was started in 20 under Mills and then into John Dramani Mahama say, you know, we are near sending me Kogu. John Mahama saw no naye. Meanwhile, we saw him say, where did the project start? Krampono, Afari, and Afari. Where did the project start? How did it come about? They don't even want to read the history. And we told them on record, tell us the parliamentary and then cabinet approval was done under who? When? Which is the date? Tell us. What am I saying? And so on and so forth. But in any case, Unia, total all the 9 hospitals under Eurojet project. O totally 1,310 beds.
Okay.
Beds I was 9 hospitals in Munina. O totally 1,310 beds.
That is enough.
9 hospitals in now. Affair wine. And when even this government came, you have to go and borrow money to come and complete some of the projects. No. What am I saying? Now the original cost in Gabonenke was $590 million. And it was supposed to complete 3 years by the day of commence. Obusa won say almost start here that man almost starting projects, and how did we complete them? The answer is no. Minia, now let me bring you back. Eastern Regional Hospital as a CIAC. The number of beds plus say uko maternity warder, maternity blocker, Konfonochi, yes, plus KNUST teaching hospital now. Okay. Yes, you know. If you total them, they are 1,400 plus 3. Yanyamfa, you're very saying agenda 111, which are in various completion. Stages of completion. Yanyamfa I know okay. Me see only 3 projects. Am I 2,000 plus rather? 1,000. 2,000 plus beds. So it's what do I say? But let's go. Experience in what? I am not surprised, Sir John Dramani Mahama, Etimijina, Ekachere, the entire NDC, say he is the most experienced, experienced, and your friend saying, a bit may lead the party. In order not to be unfair to him, John Dramani Mahama, Eka said, thank you for your vote of confidence and for your unshaken conviction that I am the most suitable person with the experience and vision to lead our party, the NDC, to victory 2024. Is suitable. He demonstrates why SITA, virtually all the constituency executives of NDC in Swami, all the constituency executives of NDC in for the 47 constituencies in this region called Ashanti region, the 275 constituencies across this country were fighting Dufour. Because they don't have experienced people, they don't have suitable people. And the national executive, the regional executive have all become hunting dogs of John Dramani Mahama.
Oh, UGD.
Oh, but you saw it. You saw the machinations. Huh? To the extent of people attacking Dufour.
And for so on, say be NDC. Rank and far, be who say Mahama. Ena bibi wonimu. Wanu ne betumi edi enkunim yemfa no nko. Wana Ghana fo ebeto abade ama no tienya yentanechi. Ebe nwanwasa.
You're the majority voice and the minority voice. From Nwanwa Ewomuni say it shouldn't be possible. Said no single constituency, regional and national executive do not have a dissenting view. Me communication director, former communication director, wherever he is, me channel or pakosichi, or say you know I been called Benkora, and I just obi we mu on many. Yeni ayati studio high. Say you know I been called Benkora, let's just say obi eka ye ha on many. Now been in Juma. So you see assembly say now you wouldn't understand me boy. Okay. Say you know I been up and say okay. And then by the time you be pon your basis console boards you be bia ya koton. Say you know you na ba benko. And yes sir ADP. But you have to get somebody who is okay say yes sir say ADP. Say if you are no be hu ye wa bonti na me che no wa bonti manager wa bonti on say it means we have to change another plan. Yeah.
It's a BBC and CDR.
It's a BBC and CDR. And there is no democracy in NDC.
Where sure?
I'm telling you, what happened has shown that there is no democracy in NDC. Dissenting views are not respected. People's ambition, when they don't reason with them, then they have a problem. But let's not even go to that point. Sir John Dramani Mahama, he has an experience, but the experience in one premier, positive and negative experience. He has experience in plunging this country into chaos. Oh, Nasa go Kruma.
Ghana say Yankun.
Oh, Yankun, Nemo Nanke was say Yankaya Kwan Kramponke. Oh, Maya now was pretending over. we are president and I'm say to my way yet to say you can brag or at the end of the day no question and you buza on say now we now so na mama a woton so obro so ugu na adwuma for 4 good years ugu mama a woton so obro adwuma asafo market na ebon because enam ni bibia apro adwuma ye fo ye yi omo di essence na dum so na wontimi manage na omo doso ye wo krom ha na President John Dramani Mahama ebeka kire ye say I am not a magician. Unemployed Graduates Association kasa was say onya magician to put money in their pocket or can say same with peaceonline.com on the 18th of November 2016. President John Dramani Mahama has said that the unemployed rate, especially among the youth, is high because many of the unemployed graduates are not skilled, indicating that he is not a magician to put money in their pockets. Yebusa, is he now having the experience to put money in their pockets?
So you be creating enabling environment. No of us will
now said your mama can and cramp de your mama can ya intent you. Okay, just as a sura, we would from na 1 year na adia yo because he is somebody or promise ya 1 year na waju ni so. Me chiro wade ba ko ha. The launch of a national campaign on the production of grass cutters and rabbits, NDC Manifesto 2012, page 36. Sa project ni yaye. Yaye.
Okay.
What is our project in Wasem? The irrigation of 150,000 hectares of land under the Polugu multi-purpose hydro-electric scheme. Manifesto 2012, okay. Page 36. Omaye. Promotion of rural industrialization through provision of incentives for the establishment of industries that have backward leakage to our agricultural sources base. NDC Manifesto 2012, page 33. So your friends okay. Just to mention a few, there are thousands of them here. Masa, as some American say, he can say he has experience among the NDC, but as far as Ghanaians are concerned, he lacks experience. And the only experience Ghanaians say he has is in collapsing their businesses. Even when there is no anything, no any national, there is no any world accepted.
I see Tekasan was say economic meltdown. Nigeria struggle but due to the prudent. We use the word prudent. Ntino Mahama was able to grow the economy.
Don't worry. If you say that there was an economic meltdown, they were prudent, and at the same time you were denying teachers and nurses their training allowances. At the same time, people were not getting jobs. At the same time, people who are in their private businesses were unfolding. And you tell me there was an economic meltdown. We agree. Where was from that economic meltdown? Obekacho says from China. China for shake you. We accept. It is true that even that time. But today, let's come back to this system. There is a world accepted that the world has accepted that the world is in the trying times today. Okay. I'm landing on that one. The world is in trying times today. Even the world developed countries in Krampon, today Ghana now for 9 months in this country. When you said there was economic meltdown, workers were working for 9 months, 1 year, no 3 months salary. So we are saying that today, World Bank, Ajiatum, IMF ajiatum, Ghana and Kasankasa Ethiopia ajiatum. You can't just say it is Russia-Ukraine war. And Russia-Ukraine war. Now Russia-Ukraine war kwanaba. We agree with you. And Ghana kwanaba. But China meltdown Ghana kwanaba. Okay. But you were not able to pay ordinary teachers and nursing training allowance. Workers, what see you borrow be consuming? Even borrow under your time. You were not consuming. So you were trying to make the books look fine.
anu ya Abdul Wahab ana watene kan
ka wo suffering
okay Abdul Wahab no watene kan sita yɛhwɛ unu Richard Ahiagba communication director onu ne yenkita hu de bofo tene edema MPP osi yewra don Dramani Mahama ka se so ni wa nyentemo nswiti ase a wodi mekusam so ni mekusam ebegu ani osi eni kwa ase Ghana fo ye gini di kete kra papa yi se wo ba ase na nsan nipa fa ahodie wo kasem no etiatia titin sentwofo enti wo ba wo be ma press freedom no aye adwuma Richard Ahiagba se ebra Emmanuel Nin right wo free mu no 207 obeye president no ale no awes azem no mu ebra JB Dankwa wo free mu no
2016
ade no wanye mu ehwehwe mu wakika nsem ni beblebe eti John Dramani Mahama nye nipa anase omampani a wabakwa ene wo bebie wa wo kan asem na Ghana for ya be je ni wadi one Ahiagba ya adwen sa
aduana ba me da say before I because ma me ti ase ba ko say you say vindication is a womb of time and John Dramani Mahama will always stand vindicated me tena ha no I said a lot of things my nua antiman di bangi sa asema me kana yenye no kra na say no kra and o ka sam pass economic meltdown by in 2015 2016 e affect biase nyina Nigeria went into recession. Ghana didn't go into recession. Courtesy prudent management by His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ghana's economy grew by 3.5%. Whilst Nigeria's was growing in 2.0%.
And now were you expecting say COVID-19 by
COVID-19 Nigeria is growing in the positive. Cote d'Ivoire is growing in the positive. Ghana is growing in the negative. Then and only should tell you, just flip the coin. Oh, flip the coin and not tell how incompetent this government is. How incompetent this government is. In this government there, you cannot equate this MPP government to John Dramani Mahama. And John Dramani Mahama, as at the time I offer Kunyaso, now your debt to GDP it was 55.6%. And that is the target that this government has set for itself. Say, and yes, world market and concope sika. And only should tell you how prudent John Dramani Mahama is. John Dramani Mahama buying bono, amamuno bebu, ema or mino. A amamu a Ghana for your home for so. John Dramani Mahama never. Listen to my word. John Dramani Mahama never cancelled student allowance. He swapped it with student loan. But because of my propaganda, any more dirty job and our just student allowance him, knowing perfectly well, say, or yes, I know, just to make sure, say, sir, your friend, BB, sir, your term be used to my more intake into our training colleges. No, said the bear, you bet me a year, I in a free. Now you bet me a funny baby into the system, into a Casamuina sense, all those projects, no, where they are Sika, a war His Excellency John Dramani Mahama car or boy in 4 years, no. The Euroject project, Sika, they were part of John Dramani Mahama's death. Fact which nobody can challenge. So also Obibe challenge here. One challenge Sikadudwa, President Akufo, President Kufuor, and Parliament Ben approved here. But this one was approved in our Parliament. Oh my muha. Okay. I see His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
cannot be trusted.
Richard Ahiagba should be very worried, and sometimes. And who engage in this kind of infantilism, people don't take you serious. Richard Ahiagba, before the communication director, I'm an MPP, no. Now I'm for taking in near Makakra, but these days, I say he's speaking anyhow. Granted, any in 207. Now John Dramani Mahama wasn't no president. 207 now the president.
President Kufuor.
It is say all the blame bebo behind us a cardboard.
So some go buy.
I'll buy in 2008, and you're not president, he was the vice president. Granted, one team in 2016, Yekun JB Dankwa, who is coming from your stock. And you're in this new. South 2016, Yekun JB Dankwa now within a shortest time. And they intimidate the culprit, you know. And I John Dramani Mama free abime. What about for 6 years? Who are a free fear? One to me and investigate Amaya and the final conclusion of the case. And no big catcher will say, or no bar. Sanya mana ya kosono. Obe make sure say ye beti me aden. Akebono. Say there be a world press freedom a year index na ebano. Ya follow 30 places down. Ahmed Swale the another beer every year beer on BSI index ni beer it appears. A certain MP all pet president Eddie. Ekwatina TV so et said the minute ha measure TV. Eka say Ahmed Swale wa unim no bia no. Una bono fa bibi bono na beji sika he will pay. A week later ena yekuma akwa no. Or a journalist say wa. Ebesin yenim who killed Ahmed Swale. The government is not interested in Kwapo say on get to the bottom of who killed the man. Now John Dramani Mama catch us on our bar or be shishemwa. What say my fino? Ghanaians will listen to John Dramani Mama. Ghana for be fino because Ghana for per attempt you can say attempting. Enti Richard Anyagba obetima tena baby owo aka atro tantrums atro jabs but the Ghana for no airpen say nipa wotena radio so TV so e ka say yam bo Ahmed Swale nkuno no the man is still working as a free man ah ne kwapo no onam omo party ni dim so oba be president edi a young guy was killed ya memu nipa bebre ya bu nipa bebre o studios enti onu kwa won ferry say a position an enviable position na e war in terms of world freedom index no so no ya drop by almost 40 places on ferry no be kasa me ba me make sure say ye betimi afa ye ntoma pa afura na yakosoro na ma make ufiseka ga abanwe atrai seka omobe nhihwemu e wa Ahmed Swale ewuo nu ma ka ufiseka world freedom index ka ye nkosoro. People cannot open their mouth to talk. You will be tagged.
Sana huno.
Enya sana me huno. What's the meaning of una we ensem training? Mamu maye enye ye ho ostriches and bury our heads in the sun na ye to go from go abonten. Dear ben, what parameters do they set for that index no index no parameters ben there. Who ensem training catch me?
So una work and take out
Richard Anyagba ni MPP for should be very worried.
Okay.
Now omo embrace what John Dramani Mama is saying.
Nipa wanyunyi die na ntina wo be.
Yeah, and yes, it's not a matter of say Jimmy Dio now. No, Richard Anyagba and the MPP who believes them in Ghana here.
Okay.
Ka obi je omudia enaka freedom of the press very intact and solid. Yatia wow sister station, wow colleague journalist or city TV. Of course, the bizarre aspect of it. Baby, of course, I could take a video shot of it. No, places you may me taxpayers' money. Yeah, to vehicles they go for 8 years. A pro. And I say, give it to the Muntimi Pampino, mine in Yasom Paso. Yeah, Bono man Trimunia Papa. And a helmet. Yeah, Richard Anyagba, because of say, yes, a contractor near Dana. Quina uncount dining to see any Nigeria. All the Canada, who brings us a very bizarre situation.
What have we enjoyed?
Erianaba,
Mira,
there is no way. Me true challenge waha. There is no way that John Mahama went and sought for loan from EcoBank to start the project. It is a palpable false.
Okay.
and me through challenge waha. By next week, the document should be brought to prove to me that EcoBank, John Mahama went to EcoBank and solicited for money to start the project. It is never true.
Okay.
And the project, Sikanona Edaho, the agreement was made. Now, TSMU Waha, was the Eurojet the Investment SA has started the implementation of the 9 hospital projects for the Republic of Ghana, despite the challenges brought by changing political conditions in Egypt and by turbulent global financial market. After 2 years of hard work, the chairman, stroke CEO, Dr. Said Desert, is pleased to announce the completion of phase 1 of the projects after receiving all necessary approval from the relevant ministries and its embarking with its Cairo and Accra team in the implementation of the phase 2 with utmost agency, with the appointment of top-class subcontractors to proceed the construction of the 9 hospitals. What am I saying? I say the process has begun long, demanding the required preservations and patience. In April 2018, Eurojet, the investor, ASA, signed an MOU with the Republic of Ghana, represented by the Ministry of Health and the Ministry of Defense, to sign an engineering construction and equip 9 hospitals with a total capacity of 3,310 beds at the ministry. Now,
Can be anti 2012.
They will say Barclays ABSA Consortium gets approval to finance Ghana hospitals August 24th, 2012. Mamenkai or say Cabinet has approved
August 24th,
2012. Or say Cabinet.
Another story.
Cabinet has approved a proposal to allow a consortium formed by Barclays Bank and ABSA Capital to finance the construction of the Wa Regional Hospital and 8 other hospitals in different parts of the country. The government entered into a contract with Ilojet the Invest SA for the the Invest SA for the construction of a regional hospital in Wa and a 500-bed military hospital in Kumasi for the Ministry of Defense. The contract is also for 6 district hospitals at Fifu Plaza.
Another story. Parliament approves $162.9 million Barclays Bank loan. Can story now? We can head
Also, Parliament approves $162.9 million Barclays Bank loan. Parliament has approved a said amount, Barclays Bank PLC loan to finance the design, construction, and furnishing of 7 district hospitals and provide an integrated IT system by NMS Infrastructure Limited. The money is part of the amendment agreements to the ECGD loan agreement between the government of Ghana and Barclays Bank as coordinating MLA and her Britannic Majesty Secretaries of State acting by the Export Credit. The
information you had is contrary to what you were trying to tell the people.
Okay.
Tobo, the project was supposed to be completed in 3 years after completion. Now, say Yamau Adena. That's what I say. Tobo, this government or Jibusia be continue some of the projects. Complete here, no. So do we say that it is the government now a project was stopped? And a buy when a Jibusia ebe shasiana. It is a lie. project, it was supposed to be complete in 3 years with $590 million.
Okay.
So in John Mahama na beji ska shares our projects na say. And I'm saying this is a record. I'm putting it on record. Opa, by next we will bring documents here to prove each other.
Okay.
Now, on the issue of Ahiagba, Asema Okan about John Dramani Mahama. Sir Enyinindi. He lied here. The second one, so. Sir Omu exchange loan no. School sika yetiano with student what? Loan. Afeben launches our student loan. No. Afeben. And I want to say,
Matiasi.
Afeben omo implement our loan. It is never true. Mo cancel students' allowances. And why was John Mahama paying it on table? Now, me catch you say John Mahama catch you say Shesura, yeah, Shefom, right? You can't say me actually waha. I'm saying rather John Mahama be catch you Ghana for say one on implementing free SHS. Meboa. So say brofuna auntie so dia na say opese o Ghana for wagadria. So catch you say progressively free SHS. Any free SHS. Near when he the same manner. Progressively free. Any free SHS. The same. We were in this country na John Dramani Mahama on one Kasani Minister of Education. Ekachire say there is no way a free SHS beat me abaso simply because I just said 20 years to come. Today, the same person is telling you that I want to implement free SHS. So, progressively free and free SHS were not the same.
Okay.
Even after the implementation of the free SHS, Kramponi, yes, still the MDC do not believe that that is the best thing.
I can't time 2 minutes.
So, as some Ayaka Ghana for the same, John Dramani Mahama, enye nipa, or catcher will say, Shesura. Now, why you're whining? I saw. What they share form no the bear or nyadwa ye wo krom ha na John Dramani Mahama no mo ka kire say so mo ba ban mu a yen Ghana for National Health Insurance na John John Ajokunkufo e de buy no na enye papa na emom so mo ba on be no one time premium
usi for NDC for year wo mayi John Dramani Mahama no ha MPP for ana
Debbie Sir Contum, Sikan and then your contumry. Sikan and then your contumry.
Okay.
You will crewmana, Omokachere say, John Mahama Berry Tai, Adudankwa, Akufadu. We told them, say, if there are to be a fair ground between Akufadu and John Dramani Mahama, in terms of experience, in terms of political maturity, in terms of everything, Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo would defeat John Dramani Mahama. And they did not believe it. The first one, Yebuomo, 1 million votes. The second one, even including the incumbency in Eddie Banyinano, Osanji 500 plus.
Okay.
So it tells you that this is not a match for MPP. Okay. And we have the men. Almost all the presidential aspirants are officially so on the 26th of this month. Then we know the number that is coming. Whoever emerges as a presidential candidate of MPP, of course, I know it is going to be Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Oh, that is my preferred candidate, and he has a track record. That is I'm not saying. I said, of course, I know, and that's why I told you point blank. Say he's my preferred choice. What must say? But no.
Preferred choice in one the baby did the mountain.
It's a preferred choice. I was semi Pompey on be winning, so I have the confidence and say that he will be winning.
Okay,
that is politics for you. What must say? But in spite of that, no, any candidate that will be chosen by MPP, we have the men, and every man that will be nominated and as elected by the party folks, have the competence, the experience,
and everything to lead this country called Ghana.
Pia,